Okay, now we're doing Samech Tes Amud Aleph 69. So we learn the following halach. Ha'omer l'shivcha sahariat bas chorin uvladech eved. Let's say a shivcha was pregnant, and I say, I'm going to free you, but I want your child to remain an eved. So the Gemara says, Avlad kamoisa. So the Vlad follows her. If she's freed, becomes Jewish, then the Vlad is the same. Did Rabbi Yossi Agli? No, Dvarv Kayomi. His words, she can go free, but the Vlad remains his as an Eved. Mishum Shenemar, Aisha Viladet, Yeladunea. And my Talmud, out of the Chachamim, see that. Why would a child of a Shivcha Mishuchreris remain an Eved? Amar Rava, Ad Rabbi Yossi Aglili. That's the Rabbi Yossi Aglili who said that the Vlad always follows the mother. And therefore, if the mother was freed, the Vladis are also not Avad. So the Pasuk is for him, not for Chacham. Mishnah. This is what we alluded to yesterday. Rav Tarfon Amar Yecholim Mamzerim Li Taher. A mamzer, normally his child is a mamzer, and then when that child has a mamzer, it's a mamzer. They're going to be mamzerim forever. So how can you clean your yichus? Ketzah. Mamzer shenasa shivcha. Right? A Jewish male mamzer marries a shivcha knanis. What did we learn so far? Havlad eved. The Vlad follows the mother. The mother's a shivcha, he's an eved. Now, im shichru, now the father, who is the master, frees him, nimtza ben chorin. So he goes out as an eved kanani, becomes a full-fledged Jew, and not a mamzer. So, and we paskin like Rav Tarfa, that you can do this. The problem is, we don't have avdus and shivcha knanis anymore, once the yovel is gone. But it worked in the history, in the past. Rabbi Eliezer Amar Reza Eved Mamzer. Rabbi Eliezer says no, he's an Eved and a Mamzer. We don't paskin like Rabbi Eliezer. Iboilu. Rav Tarfon lechatchila ka'amar. Does he allow you lechatchila to marry a shivcha to do this? Oh, but the Eved ka'amar that he happened to do it, but lechatchila you can't marry a shivcha like this. Toshma Amar Rav Tarfon. Tiharta es aschorit. V'lo tiharta es anekevis. Means if they have a daughter, you haven't freed the daughters. If you say that lechatchila, you could do it. Mamzer is nami tinsif la'avda. Why couldn't a female mamzer marry an eved, and then the child will be an eved, and it'll be free, it'll be kosher? So the Gemara says eved ein lo chayis. If the mamzeres marries an eved, doesn't follow him, it follows her, and she's a mamzer. She's the Yisrael mamzer, so you're never going to be able to clean the mamzeres because the yichus follows her. Susie, 1 second. Let me just get the answer to the door. Just finishing the back in the dirt. Toshma. Ushpezichted Rav Simloi Mamzer Hava. The innkeeper for Rav Simloi was a Mamzer. Armalei I Akad Misa, if I would have come early, Tartina Lebincha, before you had married your wife and had all these children who are mamzerim, I could have given you a advice to be metayir your children to marry a shifcha. So that only works yamrit bishlam alachatchila shapir. That's why he gave advice that you could have married her lachatchila. Eli yamrit di'evid my niu. What kind of advice was given if it's only b'di'evid? The minsiv eitz of armala zil gonov izdavin be'evid ivri. What he could have done is go steal money. You won't have the money to pay back. Sell yourself as Nevid Ivri. Then you could live with a shivcha, and your child will be an Eved. And then when you mishachrer him, or the master's mishachrer becomes Jewish. Freit the Gemara, how could any of this make sense? Rav Shimloi lived 800 years after the Yovel stopped. There was no Eved Ivri. V'amar ein Eved Ivri no egel b'zman shayovel noyeg. And Allah Shema Mina, Rav Tarfon lechatchila k'amar. Rav Tarfon said his din lechatchila Shema Mina. Am Rav Yehuda Amar Shmuel Allah Rav Tarfon. Eliezer Omer Areza Eved Mamzer. Armazar my time I had Rav Eliezer Sha'amar Kra. It says by a Mamzer Gam Doir Asiri Lo Yavolo B'Kal Hashem. And so therefore, even when you have a shivcha, the vlad is going to follow the psul. I've Rabbana and Ahubi Yisrael Shenosu Mamzeres. That's referring to a Jew marries a Mamzeres. I might have had Havim Limishkosim Leisov Osam Ksiv. And maybe the child will follow the father, not the mother. Asya Lo Afke. The child is taken away from the Yichus Sa'av and follows the mother, who's a mamzeres. What does Rabbi Eliezer say to that? Lav afagav shekosov l'mishpachosam l'dei savoisam asaloi afke, and the Lord comes to remove him. Achanami afagav d'ksiv hayishavi ladeh tiel adonea, that the woman and the children belong to the master. Asalo afke, the law also removes that and says it has to follow the mamzeres. There's no when a child is in the shifcha's womb, it's like in the child of in the womb of a behema. So it doesn't follow the father at all. It never follows the mother, who becomes, so the child becomes an eved, and when you free the eved, you got rid of the mamzeres. Hadron Allah. Okay. Tomorrow 7:30.